Yeah, I'm John Gertie, founder and executive director of Music for Everyone. So we started primarily focusing on music as an educational tool and a community building tool. In so many ways, one of the beautiful things about music is that it's a universal language. So you have a very, very big palette to work with. There's so many ways in which we can venture and do all different kinds of things. For example, Keys for the City program, where we place anywhere between 10 and 18 or so fully designed pianos throughout downtown Lancaster, 24/7 access for 4 months during the summer. That's a pretty big program, and that's going on, I believe, our 12th year this summer. We'll be able to put them back in the streets this summer, which we're excited about. The instrument grant program is really big. Again, we give between $60,000 and $100,000 each year in instruments. We've invested right now just around $3 million over the course of these 16 years. Scholarships, direct program support, grants. We're in the neighborhood of $3 million. And we couldn't have done it without support from people like y'all at Kitchen Kettle. I mean, that is more an indication of just how generous our community is, and we are really, really humbled by the support that we've received over the years. There's all kinds of ways that you can get involved because we don't have much staff, so we really rely on our community volunteers to help support our program. We've developed teaching programs. We have music mentors that go to the schools. We now have after-school strings programs and percussion programs. We have summer camps. So it's really gone beyond just giving instruments. But the reason why that's so important, investment in education, music education in everybody. Because every single issue we face, whether it's as a town, a region, a state, a nation, a global community, whether those issues are around healthcare or the environment or global politics, whatever it is, in this increasingly fast-paced world in which we live, those issues and challenges are becoming more complex. And in order for us to effectively address those increasingly complex issues and challenges, we have to develop in our populace a corresponding increase in creativity. And the most effective tool in our community and educational arsenal to teach creativity, to teach that kind of thinking, is music.